y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's Nisha Babii. We're gonna get this night routine on and pop in. So first things first, I don't like the product to build on my edges, so I'm going to wash my face and my edges. Excuse me, edges. I'm using my soap that I showed y'all in my self-care routine. And this is my face soap. So I just get it all nice and soapy, like so. And put this on my face. And I just finished waxing my chin. So I like to wax my chin at nighttime or right before I film. Just depends on the mood of the day or whatever. So now I like to go back and wet the soap again. This is the self-love bar. And I just go like this. Cause I had, what did I have on my edges? That challenge, what is it called? The no rub challenge. And that thing don't be moving. But I don't like that to be on my edges at night or overnight. Just because I like my edges to breathe and grow. But I'm using this soap, which is for hair and face, so I can just really cleanse myself. And like I say, I just wax, so. I wash my face before I wax and after I wax. And this soap helps me not to get red or get any irritation. So, let's get it. I'm going back in again, y'all. Because a clean scalp is what grows. Not no dirty scalp, but a clean one. Same for edges. If you want your edges to grow, you need to clean them and nourish them like you would your scalp. Okay? So we're gonna rinse. Nice hot towel. I usually use a white towel, but I have a dark towel today. I was washing and it ain't quite ready. Brown for my brownie. Ooh, yeah. Ain't nothing like a nice hot towel on your face. So now I like to go back. Excuse me, y'all, I got earbuds. I've been there. So I am just wiping it off ever so gently. There we go. And I know they look a little fugazi or whatever, but they clean. So now I'm going to use my Dominican Magic Hair Follicle Anti-Aging Scalp Drops. Bam! I'll be sure to leave this in the description for you all. Okay? It's the truth. Now I can't take all the credit. My mother-in-law, which I call her Ma. Hey Ma! She put me on game. And when I tell you it reversed the scalp, it reverses it. Because I did have some issues with my edges. I'm pretty sure y'all can tell. I mean, it's no secret. But yeah, I just get it and I rub it. Just like that. I also put my Butters by Neat. My hair goes on there too. Oh, I got a new bottle. Let me show y'all. So, I got a cute little bottle or whatever. I'll put the drops on there and then I'll go back. Put my little Butters by Neat on there. Just like so. This feels so good. Especially after you done, you know, laid your edges. I mean, slick them down. And this is what I slick my edges down with. It really does work. And this is heavy duty stuff. So you don't want to go to bed all caked up. I wish the next time I put this on my edges and I'm going to sleep, I will show y'all what it looks like. Because I be working out or whatever and they be looking a little cakey, you know. But they be on there for the most part. It be cute. Y'all see, every time I do my final look, that's what I use. I like that company. And they black owned. So I just get my edges like that. And I'm using everything that's on the top. Let me take my scrunchie off and I'll show y'all how I do my scalp. So I go on with my Main's Choice growth oil. And I just go into town. So I just put it on like so and rub it in. Oh yes, that feels good. And I divide the hair down. Matter of fact, let's take this out there. Eyes back. So what was that? My hair. So I put it like this. Rasta. Oh, rasta. Oh. Okay. So I'm gonna do the back. On that same line. Oh yes, and really rub it through. Let's see, really rub it through. Get in there. We're gonna go on this side. Whop. So you just want to focus on the scalp. Really get in there. I mean, get in there real good. Massage it nice and right so you can get that blood flowing. And you got a whole nother side, so put that same energy into it, and you're gonna be good. Hair is done. I'm gonna put my scarf on top. Let me show y'all this scarf I got from the beauty supply store. Hold on. So I know y'all seen that scarf that's for dreads on Instagram, but look what I found at the beauty supply store. $5.99. $5.99. See? And it's like the same concept. So let me put it in. It's a little difficult to put it in because it's a lot of hair. So what I like to do is put the hair in the front like this. It's easier when you have it with two people. But we'll get it done like this. So you open it up. I hope y'all can see. I look like The Grudge. You open it up and then you just put the hair through. Yeah. So I flip back like this. And then I just continue to push the hair in like so. And then the same on this side. Shake that thing so it can lay. Bam. Alright. And then they have two strings. I guess it's supposed to secure for all the wild sleepers. That be me. Like this. Bam. And that's that, y'all. That $5.99. And for my lips, you know, I'll be putting Vaseline on at night. Cause I ordered some lip gloss that has vitamin E oil from MAC, but my package hasn't come yet. And I don't like that, so just get it on. Y'all know what to do. And I like because it has a little tint. A little pink tint to it. Let's see. Rosy lips. Alright, so I'm going to go wash my hands again because I don't want to put Vaseline on my face. And I'll be back to show y'all what I do to my face. Alright, I am back. And sometimes I use my, most times I use my eczema butters, but today, anytime I finish waxing, because you know, you get the little dark marks, ingrown hairs. I've been doing good with trying to control it. I use my BB Body by Jergens, and this thing is the truth. And I know I've mentioned this to y'all in another video. I think it was my wax video that I did, but I just get a little dab, da. Just like that. Hopefully y'all can see it. And I put it there in the area where I usually get those marks. There we go. And then I had to go back with my Butters by Nick. Y'all already know about this. And I get a little bit for that. Rub it in. And I apply as well on my face. Double the protection. So that was my quick little video on how I, you know, do a quick simple night routine when I'm trying to wash my edges from being gelled down from the no rub challenge edge control, as well as when I finish waxing, you know, what I like to do, and what products I like to use on my face to get rid of the dark marks or whatnot, and make sure, you know, my skin is getting evenly toned as possible to be looking as cute. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a big fat thumbs up to let me know that you like to see videos like this. So if y'all want to stay in the know, I'm gonna need for y'all to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ding that bell so you're not what? Left behind. Because you don't want to be in the rear. You don't want to be back there. Y'all want to be up here with me getting this knowledge when I drop it. All right, I'll see y'all till next time. Bye.